In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable slide library deck in PowerPoint. This simple setup will save you time on every presentation and help you keep a consistent look and feel across your slides. First, open PowerPoint and create a brand new file that will serve as your slide library. Think of this as your personal catalog of ready-to-use slides. It's just a normal PowerPoint file, but its only job is to store the layouts and elements you use all the time, so you don't have to rebuild them from scratch later. Now, add slides that reflect the types of content you frequently present. Include your go-to layouts, such as a title slide, an agenda, a two-column comparison, a chart slide, a photo with caption, and a conclusion or call to action. If you regularly use specific graphics, icons, or shapes, place them on the slides where you'd expect to need them. You can add placeholder text like "Insert chart here" or "Replace image" to remind you what goes where. If you use brand colors or standard fonts, format the text and shapes accordingly so everything looks consistent when you pull these slides into future decks. Once your library looks solid, save the file in a location you'll remember. A dedicated folder on your computer or a shared drive works well. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, and consider keeping it somewhere you can access from any device you use for work. When it's time to build a new presentation, open that new deck, go to the Home tab, choose New Slide, and then select Reuse Slides. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen that lets you pull slides from another file without having both decks open side by side. In the Reuse Slides panel, click Browse, then Browse File, and select your slide library deck. If you want the slides to come in exactly as designed in your library, check the option labeled Keep Source Formatting. If you prefer the slides to adopt the look and theme of your current presentation, leave that box unchecked. You can switch this setting at any time based on what you need. Finally, click the thumbnails of the slides you want to insert. Each click drops that slide into your current presentation, usually right after the slide you've selected. You can insert as many as you like and then tweak the text or swap out images to fit your content. That's all there is to it. Build your library once and reuse it every time to work faster and stay consistent.